Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by checking neck relief and string gauge. This tells you if the truss rod needs attention before action changes. Once you capo at the first fret and hold the 17th, measure the gap at the 7th, aim near 0. 0-10 for light strings. Make sure you record current saddle heights and tremolo balance. Now loosen strings slightly if you plan to adjust the truss rod later, otherwise leave tension if only raising or lowering saddles. You need the 1.5 mm hex and feeler gauge ready. You now adjust each saddle for consistent action across the neck. Use the 1.5 mm Allen and move screws in small increments, 1 to 2 1/64 steps, because big changes throw intonation. After each tweak, retune that string and check fret buzzing by playing open and at the 12th fret. Once done for all strings, make sure the tremolo plate sits level. Altering one saddle can change balance. If intonation shifts, back off height. Then correct intonation at the saddle screws before finish by tuning to pitch and playing across the fretboard. You want no buzzing and comfortable feel from nut to high E. Once satisfied, lock down saddle screws and recheck intonation at the 12th fret because action changes can alter string length. If you hear buzzing after adjustments, remeasure neck relief. Tweak the truss rod in small quarter turns while the guitar relaxes between attempts. If action stays high near the first frets, inspect the nut slot depth before removing more saddle height to avoid string breakage or dead notes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.